tumatawag ngayon kasi it's Friday night in the US. Paano ko ito bubuksan? Nag-nails ako kagabi and press-ons lang. I'm afraid they won't stick until later, but why did I forgot about this part? Okay, success. I forgot to show you what it is. Yan. Gold Intense Anti-Aging Daily Serum, 2 pumps. So, nag-in na rin ako sa work. I'll just do my skincare first before I proceed with my hair. So, ganito kasing gagawin ko, guys. Ba't ba ako nag-explain? Today is the wedding day of my cousin, Karen. And, guess lang naman, pero I'll be doing the hair and slightly doing the hair and makeup then of Z, which is an apay, flower girl, mommy guest, and lola guest. But, dahil kikay ako, sa akin sila nagpapaayos. I have to prepare early. The wedding's still at 3 and it takes about 30 to 45 minutes to get there. So, nakakaarte pala no pag may nails. Parang arte. Anyway, so I still have calls till 1 p.m. So that's the trick. I'll make sure na kagawa tayo ng work. Sorry, next. This one, the primer, nagbago sila ng packaging for this. Is not how it looks like before. Medyo ganda na kasi yung gusto kong look. Parang glass skin, gano'n. Hindi siya matte. Gusto ko ng dewy finish. Although, my problem is, yung translucent powder ko ay matte finishing. So, yeah. Okay. So, there was a difference. Look how dewy it is, how dewy it looks. My skin's not perfect, has blemishes. The last part of the skincare, the sunscreen serum. But right after this, I'll do some work and then proceed with my hair. Gosh, you can't see. See how dewy it looks and it's not malagkit. Well, patuyin muna natin. So I hope hindi ko makalimutan mag-color corrector kasi look, hindi siya pantay-pantay. Just mag-skincare, may calls tayo. They answered the call right after I answered it. Good thing. So let's just do some emails first then. Wala kang salamin. Salamin tayo. So ito yung medyo tricky sa nails. Mag-type. Dahil ganda-ganda tayo. Let's go! By the way, hindi talaga good yung setup ko pag nag-work. Nakahiga lang talaga. Pero dahil mag-prepare kasi ako, naglagay ako ng table ko. Na actually, bili to ni Karen. Christmas gift niya sa akin 2 years ago. Last year, I forgot. I think last year lang. So, gamitin natin.
Ipopost mo ba yan?
I think so, yes. Fiance called. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi! Hi guys! Good morning.
So, 9 a.m. ang out niya sa work. Init! Ha? Paano ko ba kakasilip? Wait. Saan yung sumilip? Ingat. I love you. So, kanyang work ay katabing building lang namin. He lives 1 street away. Let's just clear up these emails. Later! Patapos na ako mag-work, guys. Well, sa first part. Then, ayusin ko yung hair ko. Tapos mag-aayos ng face. Apparently, I forgot yung gagamitin kong kulot ko ng hair. So, let me just go get that. I'm back! Ang air pala man ito. So, ito yung Kiss InstaWave 101. I'm gonna show you how I use this. So, if di nyo natatanong, hindi na ako nagbasa ng hair kasi kagabi ko siya binasa. And since wala namang nangyari nung natulog ako, hindi na siya nadumihan or anything, hindi ko na siya binasa kayo umaga para wala ding masyadong heat sa hair kasi hindi ko na siya i-blower. So, yun na siya. What I'll do first, mag-hair oil muna tayo to protect our hair with heat. Naglagay tayo ng hair oil or heat protectant. Yes, hi, this is Kay. Thank you. So, let's just start. Magmumousse ba ako? Effective ba mag-mousse pag search natin? Okay. Sabi nila pwede. So, let's just try. Yung hair oil na ginamit ko ay Kiss din. Parang yung sa itong binili ko. Kiss Colors and Care Argan and Macadamia Heat Protectant and Oil. For dry and damaged natural hair. Sulfate-free. Pero hindi na natural hair. Yung akin. Bumili ako ng Curls Defining Mousse. This is just for soft hold. Para hindi naman OA. Dove. This is the first time that I'll be using this. Let's see. Para lang siyang whipped cream. Yan. Then let's just brush this out again before tayo magkulot. So, ay, hindi sumama isa. Oh, bongga. Actually, mas madali nang ikulot yung buhok ko kasi mas manipis na siya. Kasi parang medyo undercut yung ilalim ko. Oops, di ka kasama. Mamaya ka na. So, in just 10 seconds or less, kulot na siya ng bongga. See? Actually, dapat hairpin ko to. Ba't di ko siya hairpin? Paano nila ginagawa yun? Yung i-hairpin mo yung i-hairpin ko. Para mag-stay lang siya. Paano yun, guys? Ay, ganun ko na lang. Parang mas madali yun. Oh my gosh, this is so hard. Hindi mag-hairpin. What if hayaan ko na lang siya? Hindi natin ito makukulot. Okay, so this is what it looks like. What the other side looks like. Before, after. At may tawag tayo. Sinugot siya agad. Sa front. Blowout lang. Okay. Okay. So, let's hope it lasts all day long. But if not, I don't mind na medyo bababa siya. Parang magiging natural lang yung dating niya kung sakali. Ay, hindi ko pinakita sa inyo paano ko siya sinuot. Puro naman siguro magsuot ng headband. May hinahanap ako, hindi ko alam nasaan. Nasaan ka? Nilalagay ako sa face ko yung... Hi! I'm tired of looking where it is. So, let's proceed with my face. Sira na yung spray neto. So, ang gagawin ko, spray ko siya sa kamay. Saka ko siya sa spray sa face ko. Yan. We're going to use our primer. Hindi usong masyado sa akin ang brush. Ay, I forgot to do something. Mag-ahit. Hindi rin ako perfect dito, by the way, guys. Hindi naman ako expert dito. Ganun lang. Baba lang nililinis ko. By the way, nahihirapan ako, guys, ha? Kasi wala akong salamin. Ba't di tayo mag-contact lens kasi? Nahirapan ako tingnan, so magsasalamin ako. Wait. Para naman ako o-opera na. Actually, hindi ko alam kung madami yan o ano. Hindi ko alam kung tama ba itong ginagawa. Okay naman yung kalalabasan niya. So, talagang trust the process. Feeling ko napadami nagay ko. Hi, hindi ko alam kung pantay ba yung mga pinagagawa ko. But, let's just... Whew! Dapat... Let's go! Contour. Di ko alam kung tumangos ba yung ilong ko sa ginawa ko. Anyway, trust the process, ika nga. Okay. Tata! Highlighter. Di na naman pantay. Di ata talaga pantay yung mukha ko, guys. Ayan siya. Okay na. Tapos, highlighter. Blan, blan. Hindi na ako nag-eyeliner ng tawag doon, liquid. Gusto ko na lang ng cream. How does that make sense? Ganyan lang. Pero hindi ko alam kung tama ba yun. Kasi yung iba ginagawa mas pataas. Dito talaga ako hirap sa kabila. O diba? Hindi pantay. Okay na yan. Powder muna tayo just to set everything. Thank you for calling. This is Kay. How can I help you? Thank you, ma'am. Okay, bronzer. Okay, looks like I'm okay with what
You look so pretty.
of course. Thank you for calling. This is Kay. How can I help you? You're very welcome. Let me know if you still have any trouble, okay? Okay, take care. I'm not exactly a fan of false eyelashes. But I actually tried perming my lashes by myself. Actually a good one, but I didn't have the time to do it today. And I don't put anything anymore use this. This is matte. This is almost the same color as the liner. Okay, dokes. Okay, so far I'm ready I'm ready, pero I have mga iba pa akong maasikasuhin. Katulad ng
Hi.
ito.
Hello.
Hala.